In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink on OneNote in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful skill, whether you want to link to a website, a document, or another file right inside your notes. It helps keep everything organized, clickable, and easy to access later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to add your link. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a word, a sentence, or even a short phrase that you want people to click on. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl K on Windows. That's the keyboard shortcut for inserting a link in OneNote, and it will open the link dialog box. If you're using a different device, you may see a slightly different option, but on Windows, this shortcut is the fastest way. Now you'll see an address box. This is where you need to paste your URL, web address, or file path. If you're linking to a website, make sure you copy the full link from your browser and paste it here. If you're linking to a file stored on your computer or network, you can paste that file path instead. After you've entered the address, double check it to make sure it's correct. This is important because even a small mistake in the link can make it stop working. Once everything looks good, click OK or press Enter to confirm. And just like that, your selected text becomes a clickable hyperlink inside OneNote. You can now use it to open a web page, access a document, or jump directly to another resource whenever you need it. This is especially helpful for study notes, project planning, research, and keeping important links in one place. If you want to edit the link later, just right-click the link to text and update the address anytime. So to quickly recap, highlight the text, press Ctrl K, paste your URL or file path into the address box, and click OK or press Enter. That's all it takes to add a hyperlink in OneNote. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.